How to hyperlink an email address in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open document file, enter the email address, simply select it, go to insert from the ribbon tab and go to hyperlink. Here you simply need to insert your address. So I will simply write www.gmail.com. Now for its screen name, at the top you need to go to screen tag. Here you simply need to add the name, so I will just write Gmail. Then after click on OK and then you're good to go. So that's it. Just like that you will be able to hyperlink an email address in MS Word. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.